Hello and welcome to the Cat Scrappiness YouTube channel. My name is Lynn, or LV Handcrafted, here on YouTube, and today I'm really excited because I get to introduce you to the latest products to hit the Cat Scrappiness shop. We are introducing these really adorable card making kits, and in fact, these originated as make and take demos from the Scrapbook Expo earlier this year. They were a smashing success, and Kat decided to order more and make them available for you to purchase online. Not only do we have these two kits, but we have a couple of different bundles that Kat has put together, and if you get the bundles, you'll get a little bit of a discount on the items included. And because these originated as make and takes that Kim led and demonstrated at the Scrapbook Expo, we thought we would create an online experience for you as well. So I will be hosting a live stream to the Cat Scrappiness Insiders Facebook group. If you aren't already a member, do pop on over to the Facebook group and join so that you can craft along with me live. And in fact, I'll actually be hosting two live streams. The first will be to show you how to craft and put together these cards as they've been designed, and as well give you a couple more different ideas for what you can do as just with the contents of these kits and nothing else. And then in a second live stream, I'll actually show you some more card making ideas combining the kit as well as some of the elements from the bundles that I will show you. But first, let me show you what comes included in the card kits. We have two different ones. So this first one is based on a USA2 size card. So you'll have your card base. It measures 4¼ wide by 5½ tall, side folding, or you can have it landscape top folding. That's totally up to you. There are two sheets of pattern paper that measure 6 by 6, and it has this really lovely heart and polka dot print to it. So right away, you can probably already notice that you're gonna get more pattern paper here than what you can use on a single card. So definitely, if you want to stretch your supplies a little bit and make some extra card bases, I think you're going to be able to make 2, maybe even 3 cards. Just depends on how you use your supplies. Besides this, you're going to also get this really lovely frame that is perfectly sized to fit onto a USA2 size card. And what's great about the frame is that it has some lovely stitch border detailing, and as well that inverted scallop detail also. And this frame, you can use it in whichever orientation you'd like. So as a portrait, you can use it this way or flip it and use it that way. But as well, this works as a landscape card too. So you can always use the frame this way or rotate it around and use it that way. Choice is yours. Then, so that would cover sort of our background elements, and so that leaves us with what to do for focal images. And what's included is these pre-printed full color die cut ephemera of one of our most popular characters, our quokka. Super adorable, and you get 3 of them. And as well, this really cute Polaroid frame, so you can put your quokka inside the frame. Any of them would really work. And included as well is the sentiment, so you can have "I love you this much." And there's even this really lovely floral detail here. So really fabulous, and you can see that with so many different ephemera pieces, you could definitely use them all on a single card, but if you wanted to stretch your supplies a little bit, you could separate them out and maybe get 2, I think maybe even 3 cards from what's supplied here. as long as you are able to make your own card bases or maybe buy some blank card bases. Then to add that extra little finishing touch to your card, there's a sample packet of pink sapphire rhinestones. So the silver that you're seeing is actually the back, and there you can see this really soft pink gemstones. So really, really lovely. That is the first card kit. Then the second card kit is a very different colorway. So again, we're starting with our card base that measures 4¼ by 5½, and you also get 2 sheets of 6x6 pattern paper. This one has really lovely stars and polka dot print to it, so really, really lovely. And you're gonna get some really cute pre-printed, pre-cut ephemera pieces as well. So look at that Polaroid camera with the photo coming out. That right there by itself is a really nice large ephemera piece, and you could see just adding a sentiment and that would make a beautiful card on its own. But included as well is one of those Polaroid frames, and again, our fun Quokka characters. So look how gorgeous that is. You don't need to have a die cutting machine. You don't need to have stamps and inks and different coloring media. All you need is what's in this kit, maybe a pair of scissors or a paper trimmer, and you can start crafting right away. Also included in this kit is a sample pack of yellow jewels. So look how fun and sparkly those are. So that is our second card kit. Now I mentioned that there are some different bundle options. So let me go through the different bundle options with this first kit. So in what we're calling the mini bundle, you get your card kit. And as well, you get a full 6x6 paper pad. There are 24 sheets in here, 12 unique designs. You'll get 2 of each. And these are double-sided designs that have all the different colors. So you can mix and match any colors that you'd like to create even more cards. And so that is part of the mini bundle. As well, these images have actually been designed based off of this 4x6 stamp set. This is the Quokka Up stamp set. And here you see your 3 Quokkas, your Polaroid frame, your sentiments, and even some of those really small, lovely floral details. So you get the stamp set included in the mini bundle. And then finally, you get a full-size pack of the pink sapphire rhinestone mix. Look at that. So beautiful. And these are really, really fabulous and will they'll go a long ways just depending on how you use them. And so that is all included in the mini bundle. Then we have what is called our big bundle. So in the big bundle, you'll get all of this, but in addition to that, you'll have the coordinating dies that go with the Quokka Up stamp set. So if you do have a die cutting machine, it's really wonderful to have the coordinating dies because then you can stamp and cut out your stamped images perfectly so that you have that really lovely white border all the way around. And these are pretty small dies, so you don't need a large die cutting machine. If you're just getting started, you can get one of those mini machines, and all of these dies will fit through the mini die cutting machines as well. Then you also get, and I don't have mine in the original packaging, but I'll show it here. You do get the die that will cut out that really lovely frame that I showed earlier. So this die will allow you to cut out more of these frames. So if you like the look of this frame, having the die means you can cut more out, and you can cut them out in whatever colors you'd like. So we've got that die set as well, and there's more. So we also will include in the big kit some tools for you. So we have these triangle embellishment tray, which is really fabulous for just pouring out some of your rhinestones, and it makes it really easy. It's nice and contained. You can see everything in there. And this is our dual-ended embellishment tool, pickup stick, and pokey tool combined in one. So on this end, you have a wax tip that allows you to pick up your embellishments and then place them anywhere on your card. And look how easy it is to pick these up and put them exactly where you want. So really, really awesome. If you're like me and you've got big fingers, it can be hard to really just get one, especially when they're in the tray like this, and they do often just fall off, as you saw. But with the pickup tool, it's really easy to do. And then on this end, we have a piercing tool or a pokey tool, and this is really helpful for when you are die cutting and you need to kind of push your die cut out from the metal frame. So really awesome to have these supplies in your stash if you don't already have them. And the tray makes it really easy for you to just pour these right back into their little storage baggies. So all of that is in the big kit. So those are the two bundles that are available with this first kit. So let me set all of this aside, and I'll show you the bundle offers that are available with the second kit. So starting off, we have a mini kit that comes with this bundle as well. And the mini kit includes the same 4x6 stamp set that I showed earlier, because that's where these two quokkas and the frame and as well the sentiment, they are all from this stamp set. And what's great about having the stamp set is that you can stamp and color as many more of these images as you'd like, and you can color them in different colors too. So that gives you ultimate freedom. And included in the mini kit with the card making kit 2 is also a 6x6 paper pad. This also comes with 24 sheets. There are 12 unique patterns, and you'll get 2 of each. This one is called Starlight Bright. And let me give a quick flip through. Really, really lovely. So you can mix and match whichever colors strike your fancy. So really, really beautiful double-sided papers. So that is our Starlight Bright. It's called Remixed because originally this was released as a slimline paper pad, but now you can get it in a 6x6. Then, as well, in the mini kit with kit number 2 here, you also get a full pack of yellow jewels. So really, really beautiful. That is our kit 2 mini bundle. Then there's also a big bundle with this kit as well. And included in the big bundle is the coordinating die set that goes with the Quacken Up stamp set. So it does have dies that will cut out all of the images, everything but the sentiments. So you have that. And included in this kit as well is another die set. This is the Polaroid die set. So my dies have shifted a little bit, but this actually lets you die cut all of the pieces that you need to create your own Polaroid camera. So how fabulous is that? So you can actually recreate with what is in the big kit all of the pieces that you got originally in the card kit. So really, really fabulous. And as well, just like the big bundle for the first kit, we are also including the triangle embellishment tray and as well the embellishment tool. So you've got your dual sides of your wax pickup tool and your piercing tool or pokey tool. So all of that is included in the big bundle for kit number 2. And if you are anything like me and you're loving everything that you're seeing, we do have an I Want It All bundle. And in that bundle, you are going to get pretty much everything that you see here now. You've got your Kit 2 card making kit, the Starlight Bright Remixed 6x6 paper pad. You'll have kit number 1, as well as the Spectrum of Love 6x6 paper pad. Then you'll have the Quakin Up 4x6 stamp set along with its coordinating die set. You'll get the Polaroid camera die set, and as well you'll get the scalloped frame die set, and of course your tools, the embellishment tray, the dual-ended embellishment tool there, pickup tool, and your 2 sequin packs. So if you want it all, that is an option, and that is going to get you your best discount. And so I'm really excited that we have all of these different options. Whatever your budget is, there's a bundle that is there for you. Be sure to join me live if you can. I'll be doing a fun and quick and easy craft along live stream showing you how to craft with both of these kits to create the designed card that was created originally for the Scrapbook Expo Make and Take, but as well, I'll show you some different options of other cards that you can create with the kit contents. And as well, I'll have a second live stream where I'll be crafting with some of these extra goodies that you can get and give you even more ideas for things that you can create with these various products. Be sure to join the Cat Scrappiness Insiders Facebook group. That's where I'll be live streaming, and if you missed the live stream, don't worry, the replay will always be available for you from that group as well. Thanks so much, and until next time, happy crafting and have a fabulous day. Bye.